Finish.
அதெல்லாம் பாட வேணாம் மேம் காமி.
Finish, Mahini.
மேம் கேக்குறாங்க எஸ் மேம் சொல்லு ஃபினிஷ் மேம் சொல்லு.
Very good, Mahini. She wrote correctly, yeah, Mahini's mom?
ஒரு 2-3 லெட்டர்ஸ் மட்டும் தெரியல மேம் அவளுக்கு.
Okay, fine. Yes, Visha, sing the rhyme over.
Over.
Over, my little dog bone. Over, over.
Good morning, Marudwin. Yes, good morning, Rudwin.
Over, over, can we be?
Very good, Visha. Hazel under a web.
Wait, start.
Get a fire, answer, next have it. About like a vision, body legs are seen.
Very good, Hazel. Over.
Owen, as a little dog. Owen, can be it is so sad and take so long. Owen, can be.
Very nice. Good. Super, Hazel. Very good, Hazel. Next is Keshav. Keshav under a web.
Under the web, inside the
Very good, Sukrit.
spider yes, I eat. He bought in first the buzzing bee. She is quiet has she.
Very good, Keshav. Well done. Thank you so much. Very good, Ananya. Very good, Sukrit Gautam. Finished writing? Good. Okay, next is Sukrit Gautam. Sukrit Gautam under a web. Under a web.
Spider that is like so.
Above him. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. Six black furry legs as she. Okay, over.
தெரியல மேம் ஓவர்
சரி.
கரெக்ட் மேம்
Can he be?
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஹியர்ஸ் சொல்லீங்க
Very good, Sukrit Gautam. Thank you. Okay, next is Ananya.
Little dog.
Yes,
Oh, where can he be? With his ears so short. Can he be?
Can be.
Very good. Under a web, you know?
Yes.
Come on, sing. Let me see. Try.
Here.
Under a web.
Under a web.
Beside the gate.
Inside.
Beside the gate.
Okay, don't know? Fine,
No,
you
ma'am.
learn it. Yeah, fine, learn it. Okay. Next
Thank you.
is Mahirini, Under a Web.
She don't know that song, ma'am.
Okay, over.
Over, sorry.
Oh, where is my little donko? Nowhere can it be? The
Hmm.
sunshine is still full of. Oh, where can it be?
Very good. Well done, Mahirini. Varsha.
Over, I am little dog on. Over, to be. And we also come and stay for over, to be.
Can he be? Okay, very good. Well done. Next, Under a Web.
Under a side again, in spite of the same, the buzzard bee.
Ah, spider hangs his legs are 8. How many legs does a spider have? 8 legs, right? Hmm.
Buzzard bee.
Hmm. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs as she. Okay, very good. Jason finish. Very good, Jason. Well done. Tarneshwar finish. Finish.
Yeah, finished.
Yes, very good. Okay, all of you stand up. Let's start our Kidzi anthem. Stand up, all of. Very good, Tarneshwar. Stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Keshav, Kidzi anthem, Keshav.
Oh, he shut up. Oh, we can. Oh, we can now. We can. You are with me. Baby, find out. Find me. Happy child.
You are the wings.
All the you are the bee. Me and my wife. This is for me. Happy child. That bee. On my mind. I said you. Happy child.
Yes, very good. Very good morning, children. Keep stand. Yes, very good morning to everyone. Yes, yes, very good morning. Okay, keep standing for the warm up activity. on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop. Elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Yes, well done all of you. Come on, all of you go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance. Dashwan. Dashwan Velan. Hazel. Very good. Yes, very good, Hazel. Jason.
ma'am.
Very good, Jason. Keshav.
I
Very good, Keshav. Radhyani. Rudwin. Rudwin.
am.
Very good, Rudwin. Next.
Ma'am.
Very good, Sarah. Next.
Ma'am.
Very good, Ananya. Next.
Ma'am.
Very good, Sukhdev Gautam.
Ma'am.
Very good, Mavisha. Next. Kavikartika. She is also absent today. Mahilini.
Ma'am.
Very good, Mahilini. Mitra. Mitra. Taruneshwar. Yes, very good, Taruneshwar. Next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. Vihan. Vihan. Yes, also absent. It's okay, children. First, we'll start with the rhymes. The first rhyme is over, over. Okay, all of you should do the action. Okay. Oh, where has my little dog gone? Oh, where can he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Oh, where can he be? Okay, and the next rhyme is, what is the next rhyme? Over, we have finished. What is the next rhyme?
Under the web.
Yeah, very good. Under a web. Under a web, beside the gate, the spider hangs his legs are eight. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. Six black furry legs has she. One more time, six black furry, you have to show six fingers, okay? But for the spider, you will be showing eight fingers, okay? Under a web, beside the gate, the spider hangs his legs are eight. How many legs does the spider have? Eight. Okay? The spider hangs his legs are eight. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. Six black furry legs has she. Okay, six black furry legs has she. Okay, so that's it. Learn it. Tomorrow we'll ask one by one. Okay, children. And next, last week, what concept we learned, children? Any of you know? What concept did we learn last week? Yes, what was that? Yes? Amphibian or reptiles? Yeah, both amphibian and reptiles. Okay. Today we'll have a short recap of all those animals which we learned. Farm animals, wild animals, marine animals, and then amphibian, reptiles. So totally 5 sort of animals we have learned. That we'll have a small recap. Okay. So what are all the farm animals, children? Come on, name the farm animals. What are all the farm animals?
Horse,
Horse. Sheep.
horse,
Mm,
sheep,
mm,
pig,
mm,
cat,
mm,
cow.
mm. Very good. Well done. Very good, Keshav. Okay. Now the whole along with the homes of animals and their young ones we'll learn. First farm animal is cow, and the young one of a cow is, what is the young one of a cow? What is the young one of a cow?
Cow,
Calf. Very good. And then cow lives in, yeah, cow. Calf. Cow lives in, cow lives in cow shed. Very good. Cow lives in cow shed. Very good. And next is, what is this?
dog and puppy.
Dog. And puppy lives in,
Kennel.
very good. Dog kennel. Dog. Young one of a dog is puppy. And dog lives in dog kennel. Okay. And what is the next farm animal here?
Piglet and then Pinky.
Very good. Pig. Young one of a pig is piglet. And pig lives in pigsty. Very good. Pigsty. Good. Very good, children. Okay, next. Next. What farm animal is this? Yes, horse. Young one of a horse is foal. And horse lives in horse stable. Okay, horse lives in horse stable. Okay, next. Next. What is it? Hen, chick. Very good. Young one of a hen is chick. Keshav, sit ma. Sit and listen. Young one of a hen is chick. Hen lives in a coop. What does a hen give us? Hen gives us Eggs. Very good. A cow gives us. Cow gives us. What does the cow give us? Milk. Very good. Cow gives us milk. Well done. And next we are going to see is the wild animals. Okay. Okay. Now come on. Tell me what are all the wild animals you can see here. What are all the wild animals you can see? Yes. Okay. Elephant. Ah. Monkey. Kangaroo. Lion. Giraffe. Bear. Rhinoceros. Tiger. Ah. Rhino. Deep. Okay, very good children. Okay, next we'll see the young ones of the wild animals. Few young ones of the wild animals. Okay, so the first is lion. Okay, what is the young one of a lion? Cub. Very good. Young one of a lion is cub. And next, tiger. What is the young one of a tiger? Is also a cub. Very good. Next is the elephant. What is the young one of an elephant? Well done. Young one of elephant is calf. Very good, children. Next, giraffe. What is the young one of a giraffe? Calf. Very good. Cow, calf, giraffe, calf, elephant. Young one also is calf. Okay. And the next one. What is this? Kangaroo. What is the young one of a kangaroo? Joey. Very good, Sukhdeep. Young one of a kangaroo is Joey. Okay. And next we are going to see the marine animals. So these are the wild animals that live in forest. Next we are going to see the marine animals. What are all the marine animals? Why do we call them as marine animals, children? எதுக்கு marine animals சொல்றோம்? Why do we call it as marine animals? Yeah, they live in water. That's why we call them as marine animals. Very good. So the first marine animal, what is it? Shark. Shark has, can you see the teeth? How is the teeth here of the shark? எப்படி இருக்குமா teeth இங்க ஷார்க்குக்கு? Very sharp, right? Okay. Next, what is this marine animal? Seahorse. Very good. Seahorse. Next, crab. Very good. Crab. And next, very good. Starfish. Well done. Starfish. Next, stingray. Very good. Stingray has a long tail. Let's see here. And it is, can you see the tail? Next. Dolphin. Very good. Dolphin. Next. Blue whale. It is the smallest marine animal. Is it the smallest marine animal or the biggest marine animal? Yeah, biggest marine animal. Okay, very good. Next. Squid. Very good. Squid. This is lobster, children. See, squid is different from lobster. This is squid. Okay, but this is lobster. What is it? Lobster. Okay. Next. Octopus. Well done. Very good. Well done, children. Okay. Next concept we are going to learn is amphibian. What is an amphibian, children? Which animal is an amphibian? What animal we learnt as amphibian? Which is an amphibian? Frog. Very good. Frog is an amphibian. Okay. First, what is the first stage of a frog? First, it lays eggs. Very good. See here. Okay. Next stage is tadpole. Tadpole. Okay. Next is froglet. Okay. At the stage of froglet, it has a small tail. Okay. Froglet இருக்கும்போது ஒரு small tail இருக்கும். Okay. And then when it becomes an adult frog, can you see the tail here? The tail terida? No. Is there a tail? No. Why? Because now it is an adult frog. இப்போ frog வளர்ந்தாச்சு. Now still it will be in the water or on the land? Landல இருக்குமா waterல இருக்குமா இப்போ? It will be on the land. It will start eating the insects. Okay. So these are the 4 stages of life cycle of a frog. Okay. Next we'll see the reptiles. Reptiles. Why do we call these animals as reptiles, children? Tell me. எதுக்கு reptiles சொல்றோம்? Why do we say them as reptiles? Because huh? Why do you say? Yeah, they crawl on the ground. They crawl and they go. Their movement is by crawling, and they have small legs. Okay, that's why we call them as reptiles. Okay, the first reptile is crocodile. Next reptile is tortoise. Next reptile is tortoise. Okay, and next lizard. Very good, lizard. And next, snake. The final one, what is it? Chameleon. Very good. Well done. So that's it. These are the concepts we have learned so far. Tomorrow we are going to learn an interesting concept. You know what is that? Extinct animals. In that extinct animals, you'll get dinosaurs. Okay, since most of them are absent today, I don't want to take that concept today. Tomorrow, when everyone is present, we'll take that concept. Okay, it contains the dinosaurs and all. Okay, so next we'll see the numbers. Like we had done already last week, one by one we'll count till 10, 10 like that. Okay, so 1 to 10, who is going to count? It's going to be Sarah. 1 to 10. 1 to 10, Sarah. 1.
2,
Hmm.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good, Sarah. Next is Ananya. 11 to 20.
11 and 20.
Hmm. 11.
20, 30,
14.
17,
14.
47,
1 4 14 is this one.
1 4 40, 1 5 50, 1 6 60, 1 7 70, 1 8 80, 1 9 90, 2 0
20. Very good, Ananya. Now next is Varsha. 21 to 30.
21,
2, 1, 21.
121 of
2
this one.
1 21, 2 2 22, 2 3 23, 2 4 24, 2 5 25, 2 6 26, 2 7 27, 2 8 28, 2 9 29,
3, 0.
0 30.
Very good. Now 31 to 40. It's going to be Hazel. 3, 1, 31.
3 2 32, 3 3 33, 3 4 34, 3 5 35, 3 6 33, 3 7 37, 3 8 38, 3 9 39, 4 0
40, 40. Very good. Next 41 to 50 by Visha. 4, 1, 41.
4 1 41,
சொல்லு
4 2 42, 40
Hmm.
44,
43
43.
4 44,
Hmm.
4
4,
5
5.
55,
Hmm. Hmm.
40 46, 4 7 47, 4 8 48, 4 9 49,
5, 0.
5
50, 50. Okay, next is very good, Visha. Next is Mahirni. Mahirni.
Come. Ma'am, calculate.
Mahirni from 41 to 50. 4, 1, 41.
41 சொல்லலாம். 1 2 3 சொல்ல மேம் 41 ல இருந்து 50 வரைக்கும் சொன்னாங்க.
41 ல இருந்து சொல்லுங்க. 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. அப்படி சொல்லணும்.
41, 4, 2, 42. 4, 3, 43. 4, 5,
4, 4.
4
4, 4, 44. 5,
4,
5,
5.
4
4,
5
5.
4, 5,
45. 4, 6.
4 6 46.
4, 7.
27.
பாப்பா 40 ல
47.
47.
4, 8, 48.
4, 8, 48.
4
4,
9
9, 49.
9,
50
50. Very good, Mahirni. Next is Jason from 4, 1, 41.
Jason 4 1 41 சொல்லு
4, 1, 41.
ம்
4,
4 2
4,
சொல்லிட்டே
2.
4, 2, 42.
ம்
4, 2, 2.
என்னடா
4, 3. With your fingers, ma. Come on. Count with your fingers.
11.
என்னம்மா சொல்ற நீ 4 41 ல 50 வரைக்கும் சொல்லணும்
4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. 4, 3,
இங்க
43.
பாரு
4, 4, 44. 4, 5, 45. 4, 6, 46. 4, 7.
47.
ம்
4, 8.
48.
ம்
4, 9.
40.
49. 5, 0.
5, 0, 15.
Very good, Jason. Okay, children. Now all of you take your worksheet, and the worksheet number is D74. Today we are going to write a new alphabet, and the alphabet is Z. Okay? Worksheet number, let me see. D74 LT. D74 LT. Z. Sweeping line, slanting line, and a sleeping line. Like capital letter Z only, you will write small letter Z, and the phonic sound for Z is Z. Okay? Have you ever heard a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Have you ever heard a bee buzz, buzzing like this? Yeah, write the next page also, children. After finishing this page, zebra page, you can continue with the next page too. Z for zip, Z for zebra, and Z for zoo. Write today's date. Today's date is 11 dash 10 dash 2121. Tarneshwar, talk time is pending. Is Tarneshwar ready today for talk time?
ஃப்ரைடே பேசிட்டாங்களே.
Okay. Is that finished? Yes, finished.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Hazel. Can anyone please check and tell me whether we have finished D71 LT?
No, ma'am, not yet finished.
Yeah, that worksheet will be doing. D71 LT. Those are finished. Please take worksheet number D71 LT. Finished that worksheet, all of you?
Nisha writing now.
Jason, finish.
Oh, I done finish.
You didn't finish, but you're playing with your pencil?
Finished சொல்றா.
என்ன, ma'am?
Finished. Okay, fine. Okay, take worksheet number, children, D71 LT.
Finish, ma'am.
It's very good, Mavisha. Next worksheet is D71 LT. Here you have W and X. First you are going to trace it and then you are going to circle the respective pictures. Okay. W for, first listen children and then you can do it. First listen, tell me the answers and then you can write. Okay. First W for, what will come for W? Strawberry or watermelon?
Hello,
What? Watermelon. Okay, word sound. Watermelon. Circle the watermelon. Next, X for sun or X for X-ray. What will you circle? X for X-ray. Very good. X-ray. Next, W for wolf or axe. Which will you circle? Wolf or axe? Wolf or axe? எது வரும்? Which one will come? Wolf or axe? Axe. Which will come? W sounds right? What will come? Wolf. Very good. Next is X for Xmas-tree or table. Xmas-tree. Very good. Okay, now start doing it, children. Trace the letters and then circle the pictures. Next talk time schedule will be after your holidays, children, once the school reopens after your holidays, okay? You can color it, children. Watermelon you can color, X-ray you can color, wolf also, and Xmas tree. Those are finished, can start coloring. Finished coloring? Very good. Those are finished. Take worksheet number D65 empty. You will have 3 pictures here. Okay? Pictures in this worksheet. So look at the pictures here. And here in this row, What relates to the size of this picture? You have to circle. Okay, see here, look at the object in the first row. Circle the object of the same size of that given here. Of that of the first row. The first row la enna size la ஒரு picture இருக்கோ அதே size உள்ள picture இங்க இருக்கிற எந்த object ல இருக்கு பார்த்து circle பண்ணணும். D65 empty. Same size. First you have a dice, next you have a gift box, and third picture you have a hat. Just look at the size. Same size la எது இருக்கோ அதுதான் circle பண்ணணும். See, this gift box is very small. You have to see which gift box is smaller here. இதுவா 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 எது ஈக்குவலா இருக்கு இதோடன்னு பார்த்து circle பண்ணணும். So last one you will circle. And then the hat, look which hat matches this size. You have to circle. D65 empty. ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கணும். இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாக்ஸ்ல இருக்க பிக்சரோட இங்க இருக்கிற ஆப்ஜெக்ட் எது ஒரே மாதிரி சைஸ்ல இருக்கு சேமா இருக்குன்னு பார்த்து சர்க்கிள் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, டிஃப்ரெண்டா இருக்கிறது சர்க்கிள் பண்ணக்கூடாது. should not circle the object which is different in size. சேம் சைஸ்ல இருக்கிறது தான் சர்க்கிள் பண்ணணும். finish. Once you are finished, we'll sing birthday song for Visha. Once you are finished, can close your book. It's very good, Visha. Ananya, still coloring? Finish. ஒரே மாதிரி சைஸ்ல எது இருக்குன்னு பார்த்து சர்க்கிள் பண்ணுங்கம்மா தருணேஸ்வர். எல்லாத்துக்கும் மம்மி ஹெல்ப் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க, நீங்களே கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் ஆன்சர்ஸ். ஓகே,
Please, ma'am.
இட்ஸ் வெரி குட் கேஷவ். வெரி குட் மா சுக்ரீவ் கௌதம். வெரி குட் ஜேசன். க்ளோஸ் யுவர் புக், those are finished.
Finish, ma'am.
It's very good. Very good, Mahini. Hazel. Mahini.
Mahini, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Very good, Mahini. Parents, please don't help them in this worksheet. It is very easy. They just have to compare. Compare பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். இது ஈக்குவலா இருக்கா இல்ல டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கா. That is the main motive of this worksheet. Finish? Okay, come on, let's sing a happy birthday song for Visha. Close your book, all of you.
Sorry. Ma'am, ஒரு scene.
Yes, let me show the cake 1 minute. Yes, shall we start? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Misha. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear Visha. Happy birthday to you. Yes, very good. Well done. Yeah, now wish happy birthday to Visha, everyone.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Isha. Isha. Thank you all. Thank you all.
Very good. Thank you so much, children, for wishing. Yes, everyone wished Visha. Okay. Thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation.